Welcome, today in front of me iPhone 14 and I'll show you how to edit Control Center shortcuts on this device. So first let's just open the settings application and then scroll to Control Center section. Then we'll see here all the available and visible just icons on our Control Center, so they're here. And if you want to add here some new features or just to remove some of them, you just should first click on this minus. If you want to remove, for example, the Apple TV remote, click on the minus and tap here to remove. By the same way, you can remove if you want all of these options here, and they will remove from here. If you want to add here some options, for example, we can add the camera app, so click on this plus icon. And for example, let's use let's add the stopwatch or screen recording, or we can also add the alarm here. So just we can see here the alarm icon. Also we can use, for example, let's add the notes and the stopwatch, so we can see all of the options here. Just to remove, by the same way, click on these minuses and click to remove button. If you want to change the positions here of this options here on the Control Center, you should just hold it here on the right side and drag it, for example, to the up. If you want a camera application to be here, the first like the first icon, just hold it and drag it here, for example. Then the dark mode, the next one will be the low power mode, so we can see them here, the changes. And that's it. Just to save the changes, go back, and that's how it looks. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.